The Ford 6.8L V10 engine delivers an impressive power output suitable for a range of applications, including heavy-duty trucks, motorhomes, and commercial vehicles. The 6.8L is engineered to deliver consistent power over its lifespan, making it a preferred choice for commercial and recreational vehicles. Whether used for towing, hauling, or recreational purposes, this engine provides the torque and capability needed for demanding tasks. This engine is divided into two banks. Bank 1 is going to be on the passenger side. Starting from front to back, you have cylinders 1 through 5. Bank 2 is going to be on the driver's side of the engine. And on this side, starting from front to back, you have cylinders 6 through 10. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. The firing order for this engine is shown in the picture and is as follows: 165 1027 3849. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.